Welcome back to our brand knowledge channel. This is tips and tricks number 2, flash fill the magic of Control E. There are 8 magics we are going to learn it and wonderful. This is my follow-up video to my previous one on the short. The same video I made it very short, like 1 minute. Now this is very detailed one where you will learn do's and don'ts of Control E also as well. Okay. The very first example we have with us is the date, month, and year. And for example, I'm just typing the date like 5 4 2022, and I'm just giving Control E. And then it follows the same pattern. As you can see, at 27 is 27, and then 5, you have a month and year. Let's say you want month, date, year. Still possible. 4 5 2022, Control E. Now you can see that whatever you have in the month and it is coming here, followed by the date and followed by year. Let's move to tips number 2 on concatenate function. So there are many ways. So you have to write the formula. For example, let's say concatenate A, comma, maybe I can give a space, right? All that is not required. Without formula, we can do it. How we can do it? For example, Dr. Abdul Kalam. Just entering it, Control E. So it has just followed the same pattern and applied to all, right? Let's move to the next one. Let's say I'm going to do unconcatenate function. For example, let's say I'm just giving like Bangalore and Karnataka. Just give Control E, it will apply. Just give Control E, it will get applied, right? So what is the one thing we have to keep in mind, that if I'm giving incorrect value, for example, so it has taken the same thing. I mean, not incorrect value. I'm just making that first letter is small and it is followed the same thing, right? Let's move to the next one. This is very, very powerful. Auto reply one. For example, I'm composing an email. Hello, Asim. Thanks for writing in, and I would like to inform you that your previous request has has been processed, and wish you have wonderful day ahead. Have good day, right? So you can see that Control E, if I give, it will compose for all other people also as well, right? So it is so easy, and this is how we can easily do that, right? So this is one catch point is here. So in the following example, the second example, it says that I'd like to inform that previous request has been processed, which you have K value is taking it. So you have to, again, you can just change it to any other thing. So you can or modify manually, you can modify also as well. Let's go to the next one. This is very easy. And I'm just finding out the code. I'm just giving like 358 and then Control E, it will come. Let's say I want the last number, you can still do it. And let's move to the next one. Let's say second name is here K. The first name is, let's say, Asim. Control E, first name it came up, second name came up, or you can do vice versa also as well. Let's move to the next one. Let's say here email ID I wanted to keep it. For example, let's say I will just do that formatting. These are all not the right email ID. I'm just for the illustration purpose, I'm just doing it. Let's say asimk at gmail.com. Enter and Control E. All it has applied. This is a one right email, brandknowledge@gmail.com. Other things are not the right emails. So just to illustrate this one, right? And now what we should avoid is, let's say I'm just giving it asim k at gmail.com and control E. You see here the second letter, I mean the whatever the second name, automatically since I made it small, everything became a small, right? And you have to whatever and now the email ID is not case sensitive, but just in case if you wanted to be very sure of this one, we can still follow it. The last one, this is also interesting. For example, let's say you want in italic. Let's say upper example, control E you can give, automatically it is applied. And let's say bold, right? Bold you can give, let's say upper. I'm gonna write it again upper. Control E, sorry, control E, it has applied, right? Again upper I will write it in, and then you can do that. So I hope you find this Excel tips very useful. Please do like, share, and subscribe my channel. And do let me know which one you like the most. Whether you like among the eight, which one you like the most. Please do take good care and have a wonderful day.